Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix CS2 mic is not working, right? So without further ado, let's get started. Go to settings, go to audio, then make sure master volume is not muted. I'm recording the video so it's muted, but for you it should be somewhere from 50 to 100 in that range. Then go to voice and then, as you can see here, make sure your volume while you talk should trigger threshold. So make sure it's just test it out, just make it trigger, for example, to -100, and then look if the bar is running here, right? And you can also set here my own voice and look if you're hearing or not, right? And then here, make sure other players' voice volume is also, it's around from 50 to 100, it's depending up to you. Then you need to go to a microphone key binding, make sure it's push to talk or open microphone. It really doesn't matter, but I like to push to talk. And when you press the button, you talk, right? So make sure to put the right binding on your microphone, and then you need to do a few things on Steam. So go on Steam settings, go to voice, make sure that voice input devices are default or the microphone that you're using. And also here on microphone volume gain, if you, for example, hearing other players badly, you can increase this. And if your teammates do not hear you properly, you can increase this bar. Then the next step, what you need to do here, you need to open up settings, go to privacy and security, go to microphone, and then make sure microphone access is enabled, and also this option is enabled as well. Let apps access your microphone, and your CS2 game should be here, right? The next thing, on find the setting, go to sound settings, then here make sure that your speakers and microphone is the right one is selected. Then go to volume mixer and make sure CS2 is not muted. This is not the sign, right? Make sure it's unmuted. Also, it has the proper sound and default output and input device, or the ones that you're using, right? Then you can go back one tab. Then you need to go to more sound options. Make sure recording your microphone is set to default, the one that you're using. Then you need to right click on it, go to properties, make sure as you can see here on levels, it's all not muted and it has proper mic level. And basically, as you can see here, 70 to 100. And then here, also important on advanced, make sure allow applications to take exclusive control of this device and give exclusive mode application priority is enabled as well. Apply the changes. You should see that if your microphone is working, you should see these things here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button.